What is an accounting ratio? An accounting ratio is a financial tool used to analyze a company's financial performance. It shows the relationship between two or more financial numbers. In simple words, an accounting ratio helps understand financial statements easily. Accounting ratios are calculated using data from the income statement and balance sheet. They help measure profitability, liquidity, efficiency, and solvency of a business. There are different types of accounting ratios. Profitability ratios show how much profit a company earns. Liquidity ratios show a company's ability to pay short-term debts. Efficiency ratios show how well a business uses its assets. Solvency ratios show a company's long-term financial stability. Examples of accounting ratios include current ratio, net profit ratio, and debt-equity ratio. Accounting ratios help investors, managers, and lenders make decisions. They also help compare one company with another. Accounting ratios do not give answers alone. They should be used along with other financial information. In simple terms, accounting ratios turn numbers into useful insights. Easy way to remember. Accounting ratio means comparing financial numbers to understand performance.